What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel and to this video. Thanks for clicking. Today we're going to be assembling this build-it-yourself fort. This is a customizable fort kit. It comes in a nice, clean, small box like this. Is it for adults? Yeah. No, it's actually for kids, unfortunately. But hey, adults can play too. I'm going to get up in here as well. But let's get it assembled first and put together. Check it out. This is not a very sophisticated build. I mean, the engineering is actually pretty cool, but in terms of supplies, check it out. It's basically cardboard cuts that have been painted and then notched out. By the way, welcome to the channel. Lots of home projects around the house and saving you time and money. That is the goal. Click that subscribe button. Love to have you. Like the video and share this. And by the way, if you've got your own hobbies, skills, or interests and you want to make some serious cash, kind of like what I'm doing with this YouTube channel, I actually made a course and you can check out the link right there. I'm going to teach you from start to finish how you can make your own YouTube channel and bring in some serious cash. Forever changed our family's life, and I want you to check that out if you are interested. Okay, here we go. Let's get to the basement and we've got all the parts here, and check out these little black discs. These are going to be like the corner pieces. And by the way, links for this kit and other cool kits in the description below if you're interested. But you put them in here. It's clearly marked on the edges, the little red. There's like red paint on the edges of the cardboard where those little black discs go. And you pop out the black disc. They give you X many, however many there are. And you can, of course, scale up. That's the genius of these companies, right? They get you to scale up. And you can, you know, buy add-ons and whatnot and more supplies if you want to make your fort bigger and better. But here we go. We've also got these brace pieces. These are the yellow pieces that you can see there, and those make sure that the 90-degree angles are braced up. And so it's a matter of going through and using these discs to secure the braces in place and the actual cardboard panels in place. And they give you some instructions give you some ideas on, you know, how you can, you know, build this thing if you want like one big box, or if you want to have, you know, some tunnels, so to speak. You can do that. There's really any kind of cardboard piece can go onto another cardboard piece. So you can make it super tall, super wide. You can put, you know, roofs on it to make like a tunnel in the middle, if that makes sense. So lots of different things you can do. Actually, I was pretty impressed with how you can customize it. And this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Here's our little entrance. Let's get up in here and see what it's like. Oh, and another cool thing, because it's cardboard, you can actually draw on this. The kids, they want you to, like, you know, paint and draw and do whatever you want. Obviously, you want to be careful, make sure it doesn't get on the carpet. But the kids actually absolutely loved being in here. They spent, you know, like 3 days, I swear they never left. They like slept in there and like ate in there and like went to the bathroom. Just kidding, they didn't go to the bathroom in there. But look at it. Look at this. You can actually draw on it, and the kids are having a great time. Overall, a really cool and innovative toy idea. Keeps the kids busy. And of course, like any toy, they're going to lose interest after a few weeks, if that. So you got to constantly, as a parent, be thinking, what can I possibly get next? You know, where's the extra, another 40 bucks going to go? But this is pretty awesome and a highly recommended little toy. So hopefully this has helped you out. We'll stop the video there. Thanks so much.
And my calendar.